For the question number 2, find the area of the circle given that radius is 14 millimeter and take pi equal to 22 by 7. If it is not given also, you have to consider the value of pi is what? 22 by 7. Now area of circle is what? Pi r square units. Area of circle which is equal to pi r square units. So 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 14 into 14. So 177, 2 7s are 14. 22 into 14 2s are 28. Am I right? Now 28 into 22. 28 2s are 56. Again 56. 616 millimeter square. 616 millimeter square, which is the area of the circle whose radius is 14 millimeter. Am I right here? Yes. And then after that, diameter is given, you have to find the area of the circle. It's very simple. How will you, if the diameter is given, you have to get the radius first and then after that substitute into the formula, nothing else. Now, diameter is how much? What I said? 49 meter. Diameter is 49 meter. Then what will be the radius? Half of the diameter, that is 49 by 2. 49 by 2. Now find the area of circle now. Area of circle equal to pi r square units. Area of circle is what? Pi r square units. Pi r square units. Now take the value of pi is what? 22 by 7. That means 22 by 7 into radius is 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Am I right here? Are you getting this one? Radius of the circle is what? Pi r square units. Am I right? Radius is what? 49 by 2. Just to substitute into that. That means 177. 7 7s are 49. 1 2 is 2. 11 2s are 22. That is 11 into 7 into 49 by 2. Am I right? 49 into 7, I think 343. 49, 7, 9, 7, 63, 628, 343. 343 into 11. 343 here. So 3773, which is equal to 3773 by 2. Am I right here? Then after that, 1 2 is 2. Remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Remaining 1, 6 2s are 12. Remaining 1, 5 2s are 10. That means 1886.5. It is given in meter. It is given in meter. Am I right? That means 1886.5 meter square. Are you getting here? Yes. If the diameter is given, first you have to find the radius and then after that substitute into the formula. Right? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? Yeah. In the third question, radius is given 5 centimeter. Radius is given 5 centimeter. Now what is the area of circle? Pi r square units. Area of circle is what? Pi r square units. That is 22 by 7 into radius is what? 5 into 5. That is 22 into 5 is 25. 25 into 22, I think so 550. 25 2s are 50. 25 2s are 50. 550. Which is equal to 550 by 7 centimeter square. If you want to convert into decimal, you can. Am I right? That means 177. 7 7s are 49. 6 8 7s are 56. 4 5 7s are 35. Remaining 5 7 7s are 49. So 78.57 centimeter square. 78.57 centimeter square. Am I right here? Yes. Now, shall we move to the next question? Yes. What is the question for you? If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, if the circumference of a circular sheet is given, circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter. You have to find radius and also the area of the sheet. You have to find radius as well as area. Am I right? Now, what is the circumference of circle? Given that circumference of circle is equal to 154. That means 2 pi r equal to 154. Circumference of circle is what? 2 pi r. Now 2 into the value of pi is what? 22 by 7 into radius r, which is equal to 154. Here now we are trying to find the radius r. Therefore r equal to 154 into 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22 into 2 becomes 2 by 1 becomes 1 by 2. Am I right, dear? Yes. Now 122, 1 2 is 2, 7 2 is 14, 7 2 is 14. Then again 2 11s are 22, 7 11s are 77. Then r equal to 49 by 2 meter, which is the radius. Radius is what? 49 by 2 meter. Now what you have to find? They asked us to find the area of sheet also. So area of a circular sheet, that is equal to pi r square units. That means 22 by 7. What is the radius? 49 by 2. 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. 1 2 is 2, 11 2 is 22. 1 7 is 7, 7 7 is 49. So 49 into 7, 343 into 11. I think just now we found the answer for this one. 343 3773 by 2. 3773 by 2. 3773 by 2, which is equal to 1 2 is 2. 8 into 36. 8 2 is 16, remaining 1, 6 2 is 12.5. That means 1886.5 E. 1886.5, it's given in meter square. Therefore, the area of the circular sheet is 1886.5 meter square. Am I right, dear? Yes. Now, look at the question number 4. Okay, otherwise leave it. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.